Best portable generators are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 list of the best portable generators from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Westinghouse 12500 Watt Home Backup Portable Generator. Westinghouse 12500 Peak Watt Dual Fuel Home Backup Portable Generator, Remote Electric Start, Transfer Switch Ready, Gas and Propane Powered, CO Sensor. Power your home and essential appliances with confidence using the Westinghouse 12500 Peak Watt Dual Fuel Portable Generator. Designed for reliability and versatility, this powerhouse runs on both gasoline and propane, giving you flexible fuel options during power outages or emergencies. Delivering 12,500 peak watts and 9,500 running watts, it's perfect for residential backup, job sites, and outdoor use. The remote electric start and transfer switch-ready design make operation effortless and seamless for home connection. Equipped with automatic voltage regulation and overload protection, it ensures consistent and safe power for your devices and appliances. The built-in CO sensor adds an extra layer of safety by automatically shutting down the generator if harmful carbon monoxide levels are detected. This generator also includes user-friendly features like a fuel gauge, hour meter, and convenient USB ports for charging smaller electronics. The dual fuel capability allows you to switch between fuels with ease, maximizing runtime and efficiency. Built for long-lasting durability, the Westinghouse generator comes with all essential accessories, including a battery charger, engine oil and funnel, key fob, propane hose, quick start guide, and warranty. Whether you're preparing for unexpected outages or powering up your next project, the Westinghouse 12500 dual fuel generator delivers dependable, high-performance energy whenever and wherever you need it. Number 2. Champion Power Equipment Generator. Champion Power Equipment 4375 Watt Dual Fuel RV Ready Portable Generator with CO Shield. Experience reliable, versatile power anywhere with the Champion Power Equipment 4375 Watt Dual Fuel Portable Generator. Designed for both residential backup and camping adventures, this generator provides dependable performance and flexibility, running on either gasoline or propane to keep you powered in any situation. With 4,375 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, it's ideal for running essentials such as lights, appliances, tools, and even RV air conditioners. Equipped with Champion CO Shield technology, this generator features an advanced carbon monoxide sensor that automatically shuts off the unit if unsafe CO levels are detected, ensuring safe operation for you and your family. The dual fuel capability allows easy switching between fuel types, giving you the freedom to choose the most convenient and available option. This portable generator is RV ready, offering a 120V30A RV outlet, alongside multiple household outlets for maximum compatibility. Designed for ease of use, it includes engine oil, an oil funnel, and a propane hose, so you can start running right out of the box. Weighing just 106 pounds, it's lightweight yet powerful, perfect for both home backup and outdoor activities. With reliable performance, dual fuel flexibility, and built-in CO protection, the Champion Power Equipment 4375 Watt portable generator is your go-to power solution for emergencies, camping trips, and everyday convenience. Power your life confidently, anytime, anywhere, with Champion's trusted performance. Number 3. Honda EB 10000 Portable Generator. Honda EB 10000 Industrial Generator, 10000W. Power your business and industrial operations with the Honda EB 10000 Industrial Generator, a robust and reliable solution for demanding commercial environments. Delivering 10,000 peak watts and 9,000 running watts, this generator is designed to handle heavy-duty loads with ease, making it ideal for construction sites, workshops, emergency backup, and other industrial applications. Powered by premium gasoline, the Honda EB10000 provides stable and efficient electricity for high-demand tools, machinery, and equipment. Its electric start feature ensures quick and hassle-free operation, even in challenging conditions, while the 240-volt output delivers the power needed for larger equipment and multiple devices simultaneously. Built for durability and long-term performance, this generator is constructed with industrial-grade components to withstand tough working environments. At 403 pounds, it offers a stable and reliable power source, designed to stay operational under rigorous use. Safety and ease of use are also prioritized. The generator is equipped with features to protect both the unit and connected devices, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation. Its user-friendly design includes a clear control panel for monitoring performance and managing output efficiently. Included with the generator are the Honda EB10000 unit itself, along with a manual and registration information packet, allowing for immediate setup and long-term support. Whether you need a dependable backup for emergencies or a primary power source for industrial projects, the Honda EB10000 industrial generator combines unmatched reliability, power, and Honda's trusted engineering, keeping your operations running smoothly without compromise. Number 4. Honda EU2200i Portable Generator. Honda 664240 EU2200i 2200-watt portable inverter generator with CO minder. Stay powered anytime, anywhere with the Honda 664240 EU2200i portable inverter generator, engineered for reliability, efficiency, and safety. Delivering 2,200 starting watts and 1,800 running watts, this compact generator is perfect for powering small appliances, tools, RVs, camping gear, or backup power for your home. Its gasoline-powered engine ensures consistent performance, while the inverter technology provides clean and stable electricity, safe for sensitive electronics like laptops, smartphones, and medical devices. One of the standout features of the EU2200i is Honda's CO Minder carbon monoxide detection system, which continuously monitors CO levels and automatically shuts down the generator if harmful levels are detected, giving you peace of mind when operating indoors or near living spaces. Despite its power, this generator is super quiet, producing minimal noise for an unobtrusive operation ideal for camping, tailgating, or residential use. Weighing only 46.5 pounds, the EU2200i is highly portable, featuring an ergonomic handle for easy transport and storage. Its 120-volt output and reliable fuel efficiency allow extended run times with less refueling. Simple to start and operate, the generator includes a recoil starter for quick power on, making it user-friendly even for first-time operators. Compact, lightweight, and safe, the Honda EU2200i portable inverter generator combines superior engineering with practical features. Whether you need dependable power for outdoor adventures, emergency backup, or sensitive electronic equipment, this generator delivers efficient, quiet, and reliable energy whenever you need it most. Honda quality ensures long-lasting performance you can trust. Number 5. Anker Solix F3800 Portable Power Station. Anker Solix F3800 Portable Power Station with 2x200W solar panels, 3 840Wh LiFePO4 battery, 120V/240V6000W AC output, solar generator for home use, RVs, emergencies, outages, and outdoor camping. Experience ultimate power independence with the Anker Solix F3800 Portable Power Station, a versatile and high-capacity solution for home backup, RV adventures, camping trips, and emergency preparedness. Featuring a 3 840Wh LiFePO4 battery and 6000W PKC output, this solar generator delivers reliable electricity to run essential appliances, power tools, electronics, and more. Its dual 120V/240V AC output ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, making it ideal for residential, commercial, and outdoor applications. Equipped with two 200W solar panels, the Solix F3800 offers efficient solar charging, reducing dependence on traditional outlets and promoting sustainable energy use. The battery-powered and solar-powered capabilities provide unmatched flexibility, allowing you to harness power anytime, anywhere. Designed for portability, the unit is easy to transport and set up, whether you're at home, on the road, or outdoors. Safety and convenience are built in with advanced protections, including overload, short circuit, and temperature safeguards. The unit also features multiple charging options and included accessories, such as an AC charging cable, solar to XT60 cables, MC4 solar connectors, user manual, and 3M solar charging cable, so you can start powering your devices immediately. Available in a sleek black and gray design, the Anker Solix F3800 combines robust performance, clean energy, and portability. Whether preparing for power outages, supporting outdoor activities, or ensuring reliable backup power for your RV or home, this premium solar power station delivers consistent, high-capacity energy wherever you need it.